Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2, Thinborne Aramid Fiber case review. First part was all about the case. Part 2 is all about the glass protector that comes within the packaging with the case. Huge shout out to Thinborne for giving me the opportunity. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area as far as the Aramid Fiber red case from Thinborne. Again, in the packaging, you get a tempered glass screen protector for your S26 Ultra. You get a wet wipe, a dry wipe. You're going to have to provide your own microcloth and something like this to set your device down so it doesn't move around too much. So yeah, super stoked to do this. What I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit. I'm going to zoom on in to give you the best visual experience without taking too long on the actual Thinborne glass protector install. And what I'm going to do now is actually bring down the camera. I'm going to zoom on in like that, and I'm going to get all of these other and I'm going to get the case packaging out of the way, so it's just the S26 Ultra, and I'm going to lay this down. Need to cover up Godzilla. Maybe I'll show his face right there. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is remove the UAG glass shield. A lot of you ask why I put on a glass protector on a dummy device. Well, the purpose of that is to show you that these glass protectors from different companies work with a lot of different cases from a lot of different companies. Some of you are going to purchase a case and then you're going to look for a screen protector, and you want to make sure that there's a video out there giving you the information that yes, that's going to work. I'm not the only one that does this. There's a lot of other YouTubers that do that. So just do your homework and find what will work for you. That's why I do lengthy case reviews and install reviews, because I want to give you as much information without skipping a beat, man. Everybody has their own style. Now, there was no dust removal stickers, so I'm just going to trust. I usually do this upstairs in my dining room because here in the garage where my YouTube studio is, there's always a lot of crap flying around. So you're just going to pull back. That thin black border will match up with the border on the device itself, so you shouldn't lose any actual screen. And then you just got to be as close as possible. Guess it might be a little bit more difficult without a guide. Folks, that went on pretty darn easy. I would suggest that you do the tempered glass screen install from Thinborne at a time where you are relaxed, there is not much going on, a quiet moment, most likely before bedtime, so you're not interrupted and you can enjoy the process and you don't make any mistakes. But yeah, that went on there really, really nice. There's a few bubbles there. I can just use my thumb to press those out. Most of the time they come out by themselves, but that is really, really nice. And obviously we're not going to have any problems with the case itself from Thinborne. That's actually a dog hair from my shepherd. His hairs are everywhere. My wife vacuums every freaking day. Yeah, no lifting going on there. that there. And what I'm going to do is test out a couple cases here. Got the Covert limited edition from Ghost Tech. This is the teal. Okay. And we don't want any lifting top, bottom, sides, or the corners, especially the corners. See, there's a lot of lint in this garage. Dust. No matter what I do. There we go. So no issues whatsoever. That's good to see. It's a good looking case. And this is the type of case that I'm saying that you could switch out to, you know, again, special evening, special day, special event, engagement type of deal. Boom. Then you take it off, put something like this on, and you get a little more protection. Here we have the Glide Pro Black from VRS. Look at that. Carry some money, some cards. Lots of protection going on with this case. For those of you that are really rugged, you have a lot of different type of outdoor hobbies going on in your life. Camping, hiking, mountain climbing, working in a rough and tough environment, indoors or outdoors. Definitely a lot of protection here, but what's important is to see that the Thinborne glass protector is working with the VRS Glide Pro here. Okay? No lifting whatsoever. And that's what we want to see. All these case reviews, you can go watch them here on TMI Project 13. If you're subscribed and you've hit that notification bell, well, you would already been notified. This one I haven't reviewed yet. So this is the Plyle. Look at that. 16-foot drop tested, built-in magnet for that is compatible with MagSafe accessories. Clearly rugged anti-yellowing technology. A lot of information on the back there. Pull out the drawer and hard shell see-through back. You have some grippy texture along the sides. UAG brand name, yeah, that ridge textured protection and grip area. Buttons will be covered up. Yeah, I am digging that ridge texture design. Super, super, super grippy TPU material along with that see-through material. And putting that on felt so good, and it is super snug. Super duper snug. And no lifting whatsoever. And that right there is good to see. Wow. Perfect. Perfect. Camera protection. Lots of lip. Oh, that feels great. But more importantly for this video, it's seeing that the Thinborne glass protector is working with the Plyle case here from UAG. I'll edit in the name of this case. I don't know it right offhand. That's gorgeous. Wow, that is on there. It'll start from the other side. Wow. All right, I'm going to take my cloth here. That usually helps. Oh, there we go. Both bottom areas remove and pull off like that. Wow, that was on there super snug. Okay, so with that being said, any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase the Thinborne red aramid fiber case in the description area. Thank you for coming on by and checking out part 2 to part 1, the actual case review which is a go, folks. It's a thumbs up. Okay. And we have a screen protector. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I am digging it. All right. God bless you all.